Have you ever wondered how to boost your online business? Do you often wonder how email marketing can be used as a consulting tool? Have you found yourself frequently thinking if you have proper knowledge of email marketing is the coolest and most effective tool? If yes, then you have landed on the right video. Welcome back to another episode of Colorful Finance, the #1 source for content centered around earning money from home. We provide you with theoretical experience in our videos and practical experience with the tools we provide you in the description. Subscribe to the channel so you're always up to date with our latest uploads. In this video, we'll take you through everything you need to know about email marketing consulting. Boost your online business. Now let's get into it. In today's online business, the most effective method of promoting online products by using the method email marketing. Now there is a boom in the email marketing consulting business. But is email marketing consulting really important to help your business? Let's find out how it works. When you are going to use email marketing for your promotions, always check if your marketing campaign's content is good enough for the visitors to see. Your marketing campaign must catch their attention, so you will definitely earn from. Email marketing may sound simple, but the real thing is, it's way too hard to do. You will be encountering a lot of struggles in your email marketing and the fact that it eats up your time so much that you can't do any other things. To make your email marketing successful, you can hire a professional email marketing consultant. A marketing consultant is all you need to make your online business easier. What exactly does an email marketing consultant do? Email marketing consultants can be a freelancer skilled enough in areas of email marketing campaign development. There are a lot of companies that employ email marketing consultants. They have the talent to make effective promotions, newsletter, and several special offers for your online business. There are several points to check if you are going to hire an email marketing consultant. Email marketing consulting needs the right strategy so it will deliver good results. Read on to know the best techniques in email marketing consultant may use. Check if it is included in the consulting the good training materials like sample emails, banners, and even a sales letter that have had a good conversion rate. Another strategy is to learn the niche market where to promote the products through the use of email marketing. This will require research studies, but it will pay off by the time you are included in the competition. One good technique in email marketing consulting is to find a good niche for your product. Email marketing consulting finds the best place for marketing the products in the many website forums. Forums are the place where you get to talk about anything under the sun 24/7, may it be product promotion, politics, concerts, and many others. There are thousands of active forums on the internet. Just type what interests you most and these forums will give you what you want. Email marketing consulting firms should keep the focus on your business goals. They need to listen and share your ideas so that things will go hand in hand for you and your business. An effective email marketing consultant should know exactly the things a customer would want to achieve. They need to discuss with their client if they have any plans to change if they are really needed. Always keep them updated with all the things that you want to incorporate in their promotional strategies. These are some of the techniques an email marketing consulting undertakes to provide you with the best possible service and success for your online business. You should be careful hiring email marketing consultants because there are freelancers who pretend to be helping you. But the fact is they just want to grab the opportunity to get your money. Choose a good email marketing consultant. An effective email marketing consulting needs email marketing experts to give you the best service for the success of your online business. The hottest and most cost-effective internet marketing tool. Many online companies are wary of using email as a marketing tool because they believe that it's too hard to avoid being labeled as spam. In fact, there has been a recent backlash against email marketing. Detractors point to stronger filters, safe lists, and other ISP-created tools as their evidence for denouncing email marketing campaigns. For this reason, many companies shy away from email marketing, opting instead to solely focus on SEO and PPC methods. While these methods are very effective, newer technologies It is a mistake to ignore email marketing, because it can be a very powerful tool. In fact, there are a few very successful companies that use email marketing as the bulwark of their internet marketing campaigns. By earning customers' trust and marketing involuntary email lists, these companies have a powerful advantage over their competitors because they can directly communicate with their customers. The email/RSS controversy. While RSS technology has advanced by leaps and bounds, the technology suffers from a few limitations that prevent it from completely replacing email as a marketing tool. First of all, email is nearly ubiquitous in today's world, whereas RSS feeds are limited to a narrow group of people who are searching for specific, pigeonholed information. Next, email has a simpler and more personally customizable format, while RSS requires that the user spend time customizing his or her feed requests. In this way, email is more user-friendly, simply because people have been using it for longer. If you really think about it, an email will always be a recognizable part of the internet, whereas RSS occupies a fringe market. This is especially true on a global scale. Therefore, email trumps RSS when it comes to internet marketing. Blogs are more fashionable, but email is more reliable. In the mid-1990s, the internet world suffered its own influenza epidemic. This is known as the spam war. During the spam war, sleazy, get-rich-quick scammers overloaded people's inboxes with spam or junk email. In response, many ISPs designed strong filters to resist spam. Additionally, many people took protective measures to defend themselves against spam. Many businesses abandoned email marketing altogether, instead opting to use blogs as a marketing tool. However, the facts tell the same story. Email marketing is a cost-effective, proven way to increase your internet marketing campaign. An online marketing dream. The opt-in email list. An email lists are composed of a group of people who want to be included in a certain company's email list. While many companies mistakenly believe that no one wants to receive their email, the businesses that choose to employ opt-in email lists receive great benefits from this well-known method of internet marketing. However, instead of trying to sell something through their opt-in email lists, these marketers choose to send highly relevant information or developments about the company so that they may boost web traffic to their site. It's very simple and very effective. Safe lists. A safe way to ensure web visibility. Email safe lists are comprised of subscribers who visit a website and then voluntarily choose to receive email from a corporation or company. It's similar to an opt-in list, but slightly different because the user initiates the action of joining. Many reputable companies have earned huge amounts of money by utilizing email safe lists, simply because when these lists grow to a certain size, it becomes inevitable that a huge amount of people visit the site. It's good to practice and hone your skills when writing emails to a safe list because you want to provide useful information to the recipients of your safe list. Email marketing can drive a huge amount of quality traffic to your website. Do not neglect this extremely strong marketing tool when you are drafting your internet marketing campaign. It's always good to communicate directly with consumers, especially if they are choosing to receive email from your company. As long as you follow the basic rules of SEO and you use common sense, email marketing will increase your web visibility and provide you with a wealth of new customers. The secret is to develop good sales ads to go into your email blast. That is what gets your reader to click and advance to your landing page, which is your end goal. Build several sales ads and always refresh them and keep a library. Another valuable tool is strong headlines or the subject line of your email. Consider this getting to first base. You can end up in a reader's whitelisted inbox, but without a catchy subject line, your beautiful sales ad may never get seen. And with that, we've reached the end of this video all about email marketing consulting. Boost your online business. Let us know in the comments section down below if you enjoyed this episode and found it helpful and interesting. Remember to leave a thumbs up before you leave. Also subscribe to Colorful Finance and click the notification bell, so you're always up to date with our latest releases as always. Thanks for stopping by and watching. See you again soon in the next one.